Are you tired of wasting time and spending money on sending your after-treatment systems out to the dealer? Do you have trouble navigating these systems yourself? This class is going to teach you how to diagnose these systems quickly and reliably, as well as how to protect them from premature failures. And that's why this class was designed to give technicians of any skill level a complete understanding of the after-treatment system, plus hands-on training in just one day. Diesel Training has found out where companies are wasting the most time and money on after-treatment issues, and we have identified the areas most commonly overlooked that lead to major downtime. You'll return to work quickly with a foolproof, step-by-step troubleshooting plan for dealing with your after-treatment issues. This class will go over all the components of the after-treatment systems, including your EGR, DOC, DPF, and SCR systems, as well as their proper functions. You'll get plenty of hands-on training with our state-of-the-art training aids that simulate real-world examples of after-treatment issues. We even bring in systems from real vehicles that are broken down into individual sections for better learning. You'll leave this class not only with the knowledge of how to diagnose after-treatment systems, but also with the specifications for how these systems are designed to operate. So if you're ready to save time and money when diagnosing after-treatment issues, we'd love to have you in one of our classes. Check out our website to see a full list of all of our classes and our locations across the United States.